Hi there, my name is Rochelle and I'm an AcuEnergetics practitioner, teacher and co-owner of AcuEnergetics. So I assume you're watching this video because you're interested in our qualification for becoming either an AcuEnergetics wellness balancer or an AcuEnergetics practitioner. So first let me explain the difference between being an AcuEnergetics wellness balancer and being an AcuEnergetics practitioner, because I think that's the first thing to understand. So a wellness balancer is licensed to give all the AcuEnergetics wellness balances. Now there's 11 in total, and these include, balances like the circulation of the light, the energy center balance, the energy liver cleanse, and so on. So there's a lot of balances there to choose from. Whilst a practitioner can give those balances too, they also are qualified and trained in a whole AcuEnergetics treatment approach. So an AcuEnergetics practitioner can offer individualized treatments based on what complaint a client has come for. For example, if someone comes in with chronic neck pain or chronic fatigue or depression, the AcuEnergetics practitioner needs to be able to understand and treat this person with a deep understanding of what is going on in the client's electrical system and why, so that they can understand it and treat it. So to start you on your journey to getting maybe one of those qualifications, you first need to go through the trainings, and those trainings start with our level 1 training, then the level 2, level 3 and practitioner training. So these trainings are to give you all the information and skills that you'll need being a balancer or a practitioner. Then after to become a wellness balancer, after you finish those trainings, you need to complete some practical balances in order to get practice and experience doing those balances. Then there's some wellness balance exams to make sure that you know how the balances go properly, and then some hand skills exams to ensure your hand skills are excellent for going out there and practicing professionally. For practitioners, in addition to those exams that I just outlined for the wellness balances, practitioners also need to do a few extra exams. Those are the theory exams, which are now all online. You need to do an internship, which is not long, but gives you some real experience with a real practitioner. Also some additional hand skills that are appropriate to practitioners, and some more practical exams in terms of like locating points, because you need to be able to do this accurately as a practitioner. So I think that's a little bit of an overview of how you do it. If you're still interested and you have specific questions and like to chat more about this, please get in contact. Drop me an email at rochelle@acuenergetics.com. I'd love to chat with you and answer your questions. And until then, thanks for listening. Have a great day.